that day by day new phones are launching, and you might be excited to know which phones are launching and what type of phones are launching. For that, I'll be going to put videos related to the upcoming phones from each and every month, and in this video I'll be going to give you the upcoming phones in March 2021. So for this I have searched in the internet and I searched a lot of websites, and I came out to a lot of phones that is launching this month, and I have listed out it, and I got 8 to 9 brands that is going to launch their phones, and the number of phones count is 20 to 25 smartphones are going to launch this month. So let's take a look at each and every smartphone that are going to launch this month. So first of all, we are going to iQOO, and iQOO is going to launch iQOO 7 in India. And it is saying that it is coming with the 5G connectivity in it, and also the iQOO's first launched phones, that is first launched phone is iQOO 3, and they have got a very good comments. Along with that, they have got a lot of bad comments also. So let's hope that this phone will be a great success for them. And let's go to the next one. And the second one is from Poco. Yes, Poco has launched a next phone, that is Poco X3 Pro. Then this is the first phone they are going to launch after their new logo has uploaded recently, and the logo was a fantastic logo with lots and lots of stories behind that. So let's hope that the phone will be also be great like that logo. And let's take a look at the third one. And for the third one is Asus, and Asus is launching their smartphone that is one of the greatest or one of the most performance based smartphone, that is the ROG series, that they are going to launch their Asus ROG 5 in India in this month, March. And all the gamers are waiting for the launch of this phone, and let's hope for the Asus ROG 5 to launch in India as soon as they can. And the next is from Redmi. Redmi has one of the best budget smartphone, best mid-range phone that has been launching for years and years, and that is the Realme 100 series. That's like the Realme 8 series is going to launch in this month, and I don't know what our names are going to. Anyway, there will be Realme 8 in that, and let's hope that their names will be good like the old ones. So according to the old one, there might be a Realme 8 or Realme 8 Pro. So we cannot predict their names just like the Realme and Redmi, because they will be changing the names that from Pro, Pro Max Plus, etc. So we cannot. And the next one is from OnePlus. OnePlus is going to launch their OnePlus 9 series this month. OnePlus 9 series, and it is all and a new phone that is from OnePlus 9. A new phone is also going to launch by OnePlus. That is OnePlus 9 Lite or OnePlus 9 SE is going to launch along with this OnePlus 9 series. That is OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, and also OnePlus 9 SE or OnePlus 9 Lite is going to launch along with this. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel will be fantabulous. And from the next one is from Samsung. They are going to launch their two budget or the two mid-range phones, that is the Samsung Galaxy A52, that is one of the greatest phones, that is from the A50, A51, and next the A52. A52 is going to hit on the market and make a huge reviews for that. And also the next one is the Samsung Galaxy A72, and A72 is also going to launch along with the A52. So these two phones might be a great, and this will be going to compatible with 5G connectivity is also present in these both phones. And coming to the next one is Redmi, and Redmi is going to launch their two flagship phones and also one Note series, that the best series that I ever launched. First one that comes to the flagship series, they are going to launch two phones in India, that is Mi11 that I launched recently in the global launch, and this one is Mi11 Lite that is going to launch this month in India. And also this one is the Note series, that means the mid-range series, that is the best mid-range series that Redmi has. That is a Redmi Note 10 series is going to launch this month. That all we are waiting for. And the Redmi Note 10 series might be given with an AMOLED display. They are given the hints that they will be giving the AMOLED display, and also it will be giving the brightest display that has ever given in a Redmi Note series. The Redmi Note series and Redmi Note 10 series is going to give you the brightest display quality ever. From next one, Vivo is going to launch 5 phones from 3 series. That is, first one is S series. S series in they are going to launch S9 in China, and after the global launch it will be available in India too. And the second one is from the X60 series, that is X60, X60 Pro and X60 Pro Plus. And the last one is the V series, that is Vivo V21 is also available from this month, and they are going to launch in this month. And the last one is Oppo, and Oppo is going to launch a 5 phone same as that of the Vivo, and they are going to launch 5 phone from 2 series, that is from F series and also from the X series. And from the F series they are going to launch F19 series, that is F19, F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus, and from the X series they are going to launch X3 and X3 Pro. In the Oppo, X3 Pro is going to launch, and Oppo will always give you a great look phone, that is more stylish, more sleek design, so it will be giving you a great look phone. So these are the phones that are going to launch in this March 2021, and there will be a lot of other phones that is going to launch in the later months, and I will be putting that videos in the next month itself. So hope you like this video. I am Rohit and you are watching Mr.Rubikstech, and I will catch you in next one.